Most people come in like this with dirty cars.
Someone decided to get this car brand new and then take it off-road.
Yeah, because then if we do it in gloss, can't see it, and then when we take it off, MADinc will be perfect.
Ronny loves a surprise. Okay, we're back for another wrap at MADinc. This time Ronny's not here. We're getting the Ineos wrapped. And he's giving us creative control because Ronny loves a surprise. James, how you going, man?
Very good. Hey, Chris. This is a very strange looking Land Cruiser.
Yeah, I know. It's a massive swap for Ronny.
Yeah.
But he's loving it. He's absolutely loving it. I reckon they're cool. Funny enough, within an hour of him owning it, he's already put a dent in it.
Oh, has he?
And he's actually left the car in a bit of a shit heap for you. So when I picked it up, I was like, mate, you're going to wash it for him? Like, seriously?
Looks like the detailing team have their work cut out for them.
It's a bit rough, though.
Yeah.
They should have probably cleaned it. Are you guys all right with that? Or do you want us to...
It's fine.
Do most people come in like this with dirty cars, or is that just Ronny?
Most that have been off-road within 2 hours of being bought new do.
Yeah. So, yeah, obviously Ronny's given it, creative control on this one to come up. Personally, I think I'd just do it all the stealth. That's my feeling, but I think he wants just some little bit of detail and I don't know. What's your thoughts on it?
Yeah. It's easy to take a fairly creative direction with these cars because they're very unique looking, they're quite a bold design. So you can kind of do whatever you want with them. The key is going to be just, of course, not making it too overcomplicated. The car's going to look great in stealth. It's going to give it a really strong, kind of tough military look to it. And there's plenty of accents around the car that we can experiment with, leaving some parts gloss, some parts stealth, and play around with what's going to look good.
Yeah.
On initial first impressions, we're kind of thinking that the main bodywork in stealth is definitely going to look really good, and perhaps leave the roof gloss, because that's going to create a contrast similar to what we did with his Prado.
Bit of a two-tone
vibe.
Yeah,
that's exactly right.
How do you get around all these? Because the Ineoses do have a lot of componentry sort of on the outside, and it's obviously got the checker plate on the front.
Yeah.
These don't look like they come off because they're pop riveted.
Yeah, that's
What about all this sort of? What about all this?
Yeah.
So does this come off, or what's the?
It doesn't for this car. Ordinarily, what we would do with any car that we work on is we try to remove any accessories or body parts that would inhibit applying film to the full panel. So ordinarily things like door handles, mirrors, the snorkel, any of these other side parts of the car we would remove.
I remember with the Bloopy, you pretty much took the whole lot off, but that was an easy job.
Unfortunately, in the new car market, the Ineos Grenadier is one of the most difficult cars to apply paint protection film to.
Oh God,
because
might be pushing the friendship there, Ronny.
Maybe a little bit. We'll see. What makes it difficult is the fact that the templates have to account for these areas. So we have to go all around the door handles and these mounting rails
and big job,
and these parts down here. Yeah, absolutely.
That's insane.
So the team definitely has their work cut out.
Wow. Taking the tub off because Ronny is taking the tub off. Big surprise there that's coming up, but it leaves a really good opportunity for you guys. You've obviously spoken to Ronny about what we're going to do with the tub.
So Ronny removing the factory tub of the Grenadier gives us an opportunity to use it for testing before he bins it forever. So what Ronny has been interested in doing is to apply all of the different paint protection films that we offer here at MADinc in stripes to the tub and basically test how they go. So we'll do stripes of stealth and stripes of gloss in different directions on each side of the tub. And that way, when Ronny takes this car off-road in its current factory state and is going past bushes, whatever else off-road, we can see how the different films are behaving over different sections of the tray off-road.
And see what damage it actually does to the paintwork as well. So what do you think of the Ineos Grenadier or the Quartermaster? What's your thoughts on them?
I really like them. I think they are a fantastic alternative to the outgoing V8 70 series. I know that saying that will ruffle a lot of feathers with the hardcore Toyota enthusiasts, but I think introducing a new car to a market that's going to encourage competition and encourage manufacturers to continue making good things, like properly good things that perform well and do their job well and are reliable, is really, really good. So I'm very interested to see how this car compares to other offerings on the market.
Yeah, cool.
What have you got planned for this? I know Ronny wants stealth, but what do you think?
I'm getting safari vibes. I'm just...
Lion King?
Mufasa.
Yeah.
Mufasa.
Something like that. So, yeah. We were going to go with the Barbie look, but...
It's already been done.
It's been done. I think we're going to go safari. I'm going safari. And I think the Ineos is definitely a safari-looking vehicle.
Yeah, absolutely.
I know they run these in Africa, so it kind of makes sense to leopard skin it.
Yep.
I think.
Let's do it. We've hit the jackpot. Keen-eyed viewers will notice that we have removed the mounting points of the door, even though I said that that couldn't be done. We figured out a way of doing it. But what it reveals is a complication with Ronny having already taken the car off-road, despite the fact that we told him to not do that.
This rough bonnet to work with.
Why is it rough?
I don't know. Someone decided to get this car brand new and then take it off-road. Instead of getting it wrapped.
What are you showing us?
So this is my new play bar. It's clean and white. And this is after play barring just the bonnet.
Just the bonnet?
Just the bonnet. And now I have to get a new play bar. It's rolling. And rolling. Yeah.
You know when this video goes up, might be like 60,000 people that watch it or something crazy like that, right?
60,000?
Everything you say,
Yeah.
James won't tell you if he's going to put it in the video or not.
No, he's not going to put it in.
He is.
If it's entertaining, it's going in the video.
We're going to have to get back into it because I feel sorry for the boys working 60-hour weeks.
Yes.
It's going to be a surprise.
It can be.
Yeah, because then if we do it in gloss, can't see it.
Yeah.
And then when we take it off, MADinc will be perfect and then everything else will be cane. Put stealth up here.
Or stealth on the bottom here.
Yeah.
Gloss so that you can still see the Quartermaster.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And then MADinc in the middle.
Okay. Sweet. We'll get Mario to do this, Mario.
I've spent so many years filming you guys do this, you'd think it would come more naturally to me, but I've never actually done it before. We're almost there. This is the afternoon before Ronny comes and collects the car. It has been absolutely flat out the last few days. Matthias is back from his holiday He's just finishing off the roof. That's the last thing done. And then the boys over here are doing some last minute PPF additions to Nick's car in preparation for tomorrow. So it's all happening. We are officially closed, and we're here doing these things, making sure that it's all done before Ronny comes in the morning. So we're down to the minute.
What now? Well, we're going on a detour.
This hole here, I don't know if I'm keen.
Yeah, that might have been more scratchy than the stuff we did before.
This is way worse.
I just found out that Nick's 300 has never been off-road, and where I'm taking him today